Hi friends, good morning. I am Dr. Kanucharan Patro, your cancer jockey. This Sunday morning I came with a different cancer awareness video. This is all about myths about cancer, myths, false belief. So there are 10 points, one by one we will discuss together. People think that cancer means death sentence. So cancer is a curable disease. Most of the 70-80% of the cancer is curable. Even we have seen the patients of coming the follow-up after treatment of completion of 20 years and 30 years after treatment. So cancer is not a death sentence. It is just a false belief. It is most of the 70-80% of the cancers are curable, and 10-20% some slightly advanced disease, some aggressive disease which are not curable, we can go for the good quality of life. So people think that cancer affects only older persons. No, it affects any age. Though it is most common in the older age, but nobody is immune. It can affect the child, it can the young people, old people. So cancer is not only affects old people, it affects any persons. Cancer is considered contagious? No. If somebody has a cancer, if you eat with him, if you sleep with him, if you stay with him, it is not contagious. It will not transmit from one person to another. So, usually in society, if somebody has a cancer, people have a fear. They should not touch, they should not eat with him, they should not sleep with him. It is totally wrong. So it is a cancer is a not contagious. Some people think that biopsy spreads cancer. What is biopsy? When there is a cancer inside the body, usually a needle test, FNAC, fine needle aspiration cytology, or biopsy is required to diagnose the cancer. Some people have a false belief that if you put the needle inside the cancer tissue, it will spread and it will convert to stage 4. It is totally baseless. So nothing to worry. So when there is a doctor advices for biopsy, please go ahead. Another myth is cancer runs in family. Usually cancer, some people believe that if somebody has a cancer, all family are risk. No, only 5-10% cancers are familial or genetical related. 90% cancers are not familial. So the genetic familial cancers. So if somebody has a cancer, only not it does not affect a whole family. Only 5-10% of the cancers are familial. If nobody has some in family, if nobody in my family has cancer, am I protected? No. If nobody has in family in the cancer, everybody is having risk of cancer. After treatment, people think that cancer will come back. No. Some aggressive cancers, they come early. Cancer, if you have completed proper treatment, usually does not come back. But some cancers are come back again, that is called recurrence. So that's why we should go for regular checkup in a particular interval, usually every 3 months, to the same doctor for the follow-up. Not all cancers comes back. People think that cancer treatment is painful. Okay. There are three treatments, radiation, chemotherapy and surgery. Surgery, definitely when there is a scar, there is slightly pain. Chemotherapy, they give some injections. So one thing is that people think that if you give injections, there is a painful. Don't worry. People are now the chemotherapy given by port. Always no need of to puncture the hand and puncture the vein. And now the cancer medicines has come in the tablet forms. You can take it like a recommended dose, like as a vitamin tablet. You take at home, and the cancer will be curable. Like Gefitinib, if there is a EGFR positive lung cancer. So many tablet forms are there. Nothing to worry. Now the technique is very much advanced. We should not worry. Cancer is not totally painful. Treatment is not painful. People think that alternative medicine have the answer. They have a fear towards the cancer treatment, like allopathic cancer doctors. So people choose some form of herbal treatment, some form of Ayurvedic treatment. There are various Babas, Swamis. Better not avoid those things, because the cancer doctor is not so easy. Becoming a cancer doctor not so easy. To understand the cancer, to treat the cancer, the person has to study cancer at least 10 years. After 10 years, he comes in the field to treat you. So, goes to the doctor who knows about the cancer. You should not go to the Babas, Swamis and alternative medicines. Always choose a cancer specialist in your society. Is cancer treatment is costly? No. Now there are lots of government schemes are there, insurance are there. Always choose a insurance for your family. Whenever going for the cancer treatment, find out any government scheme is available, or lots of government schemes are there. Even simple tablets, these are not so costly. Okay, some advanced treatments are slightly costly, but find out the option where you can take the advantage of the government schemes or insurances. But I suggest always try for a insurance for your family, that will protect you. If you don't take insurance, whatever your income, it will go away in the cancer treatment. Cancer treatment is not always a costly, but sometimes some advanced treatments require money, costly affair. Hope you understand this myths about the cancer. I have explained 10 points. If you like it, share it and comment in the comment box. Thank you very much.